Hello guys, it's time to get to another package I ordered, and here it is. And maybe some bright YouTubers might guess there's rims in this package, but also some cardbox here containing some other stuff. But the most interesting and my favorite part in this package is this one bubble, which obviously going to secure all this package, right? But let's get opening this bad boy. Okay, let's get to the opening. I don't actually clearly remember what I ordered, so this is a bit fascinating for myself also. But here is the rims. They are so shiny, but I won't open this any further at this point because I think they are doing just fine here. Let them wait for the assembly. But actually I would like to show you these and these. Can't wait to put these together. Oh yes, so much fun when we get to assemble the new wheels. But let's get into this card box here. Oh yes, I actually love this card box also because these are some Finnish candies which they have used as the card box of my parts. When I was little kid, these candies were the real thing. So fun they used that card box here. But here we go. This is for the carburetor, the air filter adapter or what you call it. And then are wrapping cable for the electricity and stuff. And these two parts are for the bench lockage system. We will get to that later on. And then there's this tool which I also ordered. This is tool for removing the flywheel from the engine. And that's it. And we have done the unboxing. Hope you like it. But the last episode ended up a bit dramatically and I want to talk about that. Yeah, the package wrap was a wrong one, but I've got over it and I just need to order a new one and we get that later on. At this point I want 100% focus for the tires. But now, if you like this video, please consider hit a thumbs up and I see you in the next episode. Anshjelm out!